Welcome back to BarnabasGist.
My people, no be small thing o. They say finally that the Nigeria government and the family of the late Buhari wey don die many years ago don finally come outside say they wan explain wetin happen. Say Buhari don finally die. The game is over. Both the debris of wherever e come from and the current one wey don kpai. But guess what? I try to go to whole comment section where they post today say Buhari don die. I no see RIP o. Na just few people dey celebrate the day say I wish say even the one wey dey now even follow am by things. To look into some videos wey we get for our hand today before we go come back come continue. Just stay tuned.
I want people to go to Getty Images, picture number 468259686. This is from Getty Images. If you call them, have you seen it?
The number, please.
The number, I'll give it to you once again. I will give you the number once again. The number is 468259686. Have you got it? Absolutely. Go and have a look at it.
Yes.
Have you seen it?
Yes.
I want anybody that can see this picture clearly to please tell me, is this man here that you're seeing the face in any way Buhari? That you know?
No.
Who? Is this man Buhari?
Not at all.
Is this man Buhari? I'm asking you.
Impossible. No.
Is this man Buhari?
No.
We are coming. The zoo is in very serious mess. They are in a very, very serious mess. That man is not Buhari, is it?
Oh,
good. This picture was taken in 2015. You know what they did? They called Getty Images to come and take this picture. Do you know that? They called them to come and take this very picture. You can see it here. Can you see it?
Yes.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Now listen. That thing you're seeing, is that Buhari to you?
No. No.
Is that Buhari to you?
No.
This is the most shocking part of it.
It's very, very.
When I was researching this, I thought they brought Jubril in 2017 after he died. As I dug deeper, I discovered they brought Jubril in 2015. 4 of them. That one you saw was one of them. And this is how you know. This picture was taken in Abuja on April 1, 2015. 2015. Listen, Nigeria's new president-elect, Muhammadu Buhari, and then I ask everybody, is this man here Buhari to you?
No.
Is this young man here Buhari to you?
No. Possible.
This is not doctored, this is Getty Images. They started since 2015. They knew Buhari was not well and about to die. And what my good friend said, Fanika Yobe, is that any Fulani Ibedintis that goes into office will die in office. Out of shame, they said that thing that Obasanjo did to them by giving them sick Yaradua. Yaradua died, Jonathan took over. He will not do it to them again with Buhari. So they started to prepare on time. Is it making sense to anybody?
Yes.
Is it making sense now?
Yes.
They brought in this thing from heaven knows where. 2015. This image will cost you £375. So it's not fake, it's authentic.
Yeah.
Nearly $500 it will cost you. That the world may know that we are IPOB and that the zoo must fall. These very people started since 2015. And in case you're telling me that this man, oh, it is not possible, oh, he's just there or thereabout, I have proof. Definitive proof that this man was actually signing documents. And to make matters worse, they brought another one as well. The man I showed you last, is it someone that went to go see Trump?
No.
I want to show you another one. You'll be shocked. This is another one. Another impostor. Is this man here, Buhari?
No.
I want to ask you again, is this man here, Buhari?
No.
Is this Buhari to you?
No.
This picture will cost you 375. This was the one they did plastic surgery to. His picture number, I want to get the picture number that the world may know that the zoo is evil. This is picture number, write this down, very, very important. Picture number 838635816. Picture number 838635816. Get it on your phone. Is this man Buhari? I ask you.
No.
Is he?
No.
And before you complain and say maybe he is or he is not, I want you to pay very close attention. This one was taken in 2017. This was the one when they realized that Buhari was dead and not coming back anymore. There was no need to pretend. They became very serious. There was need now to do plastic surgery. Have you seen his nose? Yeah. This one later ran away. I know. This one ran away.
Breaking news, President President Buhari, Muhammadu Buhari just passed away at London Hospital. Yes, for those of you who don't understand what I'm saying, the former president of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, has just passed away at the London Hospital. London Hospital and the family of the former president of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari, has just announced he's passed away. Yes, President Muhammadu Buhari, the former president of Nigeria, has died in London Hospital. So after all the billions, all the trillions, all the millions they stole, so they are still going to die. I thought Muhammadu Buhari is not going to die. I thought he's going to live forever. Well, it's so sad. The former president of Nigeria has passed away. But my problem is that the Nigerians that are supporting these people, this is so sick, we need to look into this. A lot of Nigerians, how come a lot of youth are supporting these dead people? The thing they baffle me, that at this time, at this era of time, Nigerians, the youth in Nigeria are still supporting these people. Well, share this video to educate others, and please don't forget to follow page. God bless you all.
Yeah, my wonderful people, and I don't see them. That's so it take happen. No. But the one thing where I want to ask Nigeria youth are why you people keep quiet over everything. When the truth of this body death come outside, you people say Mazi Nnamdi is lying, and they have played you people. Even one of somebody well known, Gariba or whatever they call himself, well known, have come outside recently to tell you people that he give another clue to Nigerians that they deceive Nigeria with rats, this, that. Still yet, everybody move on. And you say that this country will ever good. That is a very big dream. So the answer and the truth is that Buhari have died long time ago. Nnamdi is right. My people, make una share this video. You get why.
Don't forget to see there for BarnabasGist. As you dey watch, make sure say you share the video.